Today we'll be installing a new toolbox latch made by Bolt breakthrough one-key lock technology on a Kobalt toolbox in the back of a 2000 Ford F350. This new toolbox latch works with your existing truck key, and it's for a Ford and Lincoln key. They also have models for Chevy and Dodge. I've already drilled out the rivets and removed the original latch from the toolbox, and I just need to fit the new latch in and rivet it into place. Okay, that was the last rivet. Okay, Richard, I got your new latch in, and the lock cylinder's been installed. I haven't put the little bolt thing in yet because I want to make sure I can close and open it a few times to make sure it works right. Now what this does is it takes your regular Ford ignition key, and when it comes from the factory it's not programmed yet. What you do to set it to your key, you just stick it in there, you turn it all the way to the right until you hear it click, and then you turn it back a few times and it's set. And now it just uses your key for your truck to open and close the box. Alright, so that's closed, locked.
How we doing?
That's good.